How to delete your Cameo selfie. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I will show you how you can delete your Cameo selfie. Remember that I'm talking about Cameo selfie, not your Bitmoji avatar. So you want to be very careful at that one, because Bitmoji avatar are related to your cartoonish type avatar, whereas your Cameo selfie is like your real avatar. And if you want to delete your Cameo selfie, what you want to do is go ahead and open the Snapchat application. Tap on the profile icon from the top left and then tap on the gear icon on the top right. Here you want to scroll and look for the option called Cameos, as you could clearly see over here. Once you tap on Cameos, you have the option to change your Cameo selfie if you want, or to change the Cameo's body type, or you can use a Cameo selfie. And if you want to delete it, from the bottom you'll find this little red text that says clear my Cameo selfie. You can just tap on it and choose the option called clear, and once you've done that, you'd have successfully deleted your Cameo selfies on Snapchat. That's all it takes to clear your Cameo selfie on Snapchat. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.